little saw here, jigsaw, it does the trick. Okay, I got 3 pieces. Now I'm going to take a long strip of the lattice. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach it like this, going all the way down on one side only, because when I put the other side on, it'll make it straight. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm lining up the lattice strips like this, and I'm only going to put 1 nail in each one of them, and I'm going to go all the way down on one side, and then when I get all the way to the bottom, I'm going to take my other lattice strip. When I get all the way down to the bottom, then I'll make sure that this is even, and I put my other lattice strip on there, of course underneath, and tack it all the way down. I'm going to put a front and back face on here so it'll look finished. I don't have to, but I am. So on both sides, I'm going to sandwich them between the lattice strip. I just think that look more professional and finished. And I will be back. Okay guys, I have 8 planks on. So what I did was I put the other lattice piece underneath my 8 planks, and I made sure that it was even, and I stapled them down. Then I compared this plank to the plank that I made before, and they both are even. So now I'm just going to continue all the way down here till I get to this mark, because that's where the end of my pillar stops on my pole, and I know that's where the last plank will go across, and I will just attach them. So I'm just going to keep on going, and I will be back when I'm done. Just line them up, put your nail gun, once you line it up, make sure it's even. Make sure it's even. Okay, now I'm done building one side of the board, and this is where I stop. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut that piece off right here. I'm going to end at the end of this board, I'm going to cut it off. Then I'm going to come back with another lattice piece, and I am going to put it on top like that and sandwich it, and that will make it look so nice, neat, and finished. Okay, so now that I cut off the bottom of the board, I am just going to nail it. And then I'm going to do the other side the same way. Alright guys, that is about it. This is how it turned out. Only thing I got to do now is stain it, and I'm going to put it up with zip ties, and it turned out really good. Alright, the stain that I will be using today is Golden Pecan, and it's by Penetrating Wood Stain. And so that's what I have up there now, so this is what I'm going to use to stain the wood, and that's it. So I'm just staining right now. When it dries, I'm going to put it up. Or what I may do is just wait for this to dry and then Thompson water seal it. So I won't have to take it down, and it won't have, you know, water damage. Because the lattice strips is not long enough, I had to make 2 boards, and I'm going to attach them with zip ties. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is Top It Off with Miss R, and I'll catch you later.